So in this session, I just want to briefly talk about safety in your tiny house when it comes to utilities. There's a few public safety issues. Some we talked about in a previous session. What we'll cover in this is kind of waste management. That's kind of the big one, which is kind of the big one about tiny houses in general. This tends to be the number one concern of jurisdictions is how are you handling your waste in a safe way for you and those around you, particularly if you're in an urban area. So we'll talk about that in this course, as well as some more personal safety issues. The ones relevant to this course are carbon monoxide issues. We've talked about egress options. Gas leaks are critical because that's a real safety concern. And then we've kind of mentioned mold and mildew concerns as well.